On Bold Penguin, you click on Continue to Quote, and that will bridge you over to Pathpoint. You'll see that your submission came over from Bold Penguin, and then you just fill in the information to create an account. Or if you already have an account, then you can just sign in. Once you're signed in, you can just proceed to finish completing the submission so that you can get an accurate quote from Pathpoint. So you start by choosing information that is relevant to what you are trying to obtain coverage for. Once you're finished with the application, you can then review it and select markets. Crum and Forster, for this particular instance, is in appetite. So then we're going to go over to the quote summary. And if you select the quote, then you'll see the full summary. And then you can click on Select Option to proceed to a bind request.